Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about unable to remove reason there is an active subscription on this account that requires at least one payment on file. For example, if you want to remove a payment method on iPhone and after that you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So this kind of error occurs when you try to remove the payment method. And first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings you have to simply click on general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings again, and this time you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on media and purchases. So here you have to simply click on view account, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply log in into your account. And after that you have to simply make sure that you have provided the correct payment method. So here you can simply see that there is option available of manage payments. So here you can simply click on that, and after that, if you have successfully added a payment method, then you have to simply check whether you have provided correct payment method. If it is not correct, then you have to simply change the payment method. But if you have recently applied a payment method, and after that you have purchased something from the App Store or Apple Store, and it is in pending condition, then you will not be able to remove until you check the payment condition, and after that payment verified and it's completed, then you will be able to remove that payment method. Otherwise you will not be able to remove that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.